plastics in the ocean can persist for hundreds to thousands of years, making them one of the most enduring pollutants in marine environments. Different types of plastic degrade at different rates. Plastic bags can take 10 to 20 years to break down, while plastic straws may last around 200 years. Larger and more durable plastics, such as beverage bottles, can persist for up to 450 years, whilst fishing nets made of synthetic materials may remain in the ocean for 600 years or more. We've seen these shots and watched these videos so many times that we understand that plastics are long-term materials or chemicals that don't break down easily. What if instead of throwing them in the oceans, we use them in areas of our life that would build up instead of tearing down? Well, that's basically what we did. Tanked Waterproofing has created a new waterproof membrane liner using plastic technology that is 100% recyclable. To protect your home, we have associated a warranty of up to 25 years. But you can understand from the makeup of these base materials that this could last and last and last for your lifetime and maybe even your kids. So now, instead of choosing waterproof membranes with a warranty of only 10 years, choose one that will last up to 25 years and beyond for only $25 per metre more. The only water this membrane will encounter is the water that is trying to damage your home. To learn more about how it's installed or why it will protect your home for so long, watch some more videos or reach out to us on tankedwaterproofing.com.au. Offering waterproofing and tiling services.